Good morning students. Continue from our previous video where we were reading about natural vegetation and we have learned about the land. Today we will read about the natural vegetation, that is soil. What is a soil? Soil is a very important natural resources on the earth's surface which is important for all the living organisms. The thin topmost layer of the earth's surface made up of weathered rock particles, decayed matters of plants and animals is soil. It takes thousands of years for soil to be formed. It is a slow process. Therefore, soil is a complex mixture of living and non-living materials, and the right mix of minerals and organic matter of makes the soil fertile. Factors of formation of soil. What are the factors? Let's see. Climate, times, flora, fauna and microorganism, relief and parent rock. These are various factors leading to the formation of soil. The various factors which lead to soil formation are topography, time taken for composition of soil formation, role of organic material, and these all factors are differ from place to place. Next topic are that will be degradation of soil and conservation measure. What are the degradation of soil? The major threat to soil is the erosion and depletion of soil. Both natural and human factors are responsible for soil degradation. Soil erosion is mainly the removal of the topmost layer of soil due to floods, landslides, waves and human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, rainwash and excessive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. These affects the fertility of the soil. There are so many methods of soil conservation that are first is mulching. What is mulching? The bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. Second is contour barriers. Stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barriers is collect water. Along the contours of landstones, grass and other vegetation are used as barrier. It reduces the water flow and trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect the water. The next is rock dams. Huge pieces of rocks are piled up in the uphill region in order to slow down the flow of water, which also prevent the loss of water. The next is terrace farming. What is terrace farming? In mountain or hilly regions, broad flat steps or terraces are made to practice farming. Crops are planted on each step, which prevents the flow of water, thus preventing soil erosion. Next is intercropping. What is intercropping? Various leguminous crops are grown in alternate rows and several other crop management practices are adopted in order to minimize soil erosion. The next one is contour plowing. Contour plowing, it is mainly practiced by plowing parallel to the contours of hill slopes to form a natural barrier for water which flows down the slope. It helps in retaining the soil of a particular region. The next is shelter belts. In the dry or coastal arid regions, various rows of trees are planted in order to check the movement of wind and in order to protect the soil. What is the meaning? That whatever we are reading as the methods of soil erosion, soil conservation, the main thing is कि जो भी ये जो मेथड हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनमें मेनली हम देख रहे हैं कि हम वाटर को प्रोटेक्ट करने की, वाटर को रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि वाटर जो है, जो सोइल है, वो वाटर के थ्रू ही बहकर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा निकलती है. अदरवाइज वाटर को बहने के लिए क्या चाहिए माध्यम? पानी या हवा. तो अगर हम पानी और हवा को रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे तो सोइल जो है वो भी अपने एक प्लेस पर रुक ही जाएगी. तो इसलिए जो ये सारे जो मेथड हैं, जहाँ जहाँ पर सोइल के जाने की, हवा के साथ जाने की या पानी के साथ जाने की, बहने की जो संभावनाएं हैं, उन सभी जो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं उनको स्टॉप करने के लिए, उनको बैन करने के लिए सारे जो मेथड हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं. Besides the above given ways, farmers should use eco-friendly fertilizer and plant indigenous trees and shrubs which can significantly prevent erosion of soil. ये हम जानते हैं कि अगर हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्रीज़ लगाएंगे, shrubs लगाएंगे, तो उससे जो है वो सोइल, उन पेड़ों के अंदर पानी रुकेगा और पानी रुकेगा तो सोइल भी वहाँ पर स्टॉप होगी. इसका हमारा जो अगला टॉपिक है नेचुरल वेजिटेशन. आवर नेक्स्ट नेचुरल वेजिटेशन इज़ वाटर, दैट वी विल रीड इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.